vlog yesterday. It was more of a driving day. We went from Lake Tekapo to Dunedin via the Moeraki Boulders, but we did film the boulders, so here are those clips now.
The famous Moeraki Boulders.
Yes. So they're really well known because they're so big and they're so spherical.
Yes.
And we will be showing you them in a minute.
After we've had some lunch.
I'm hungry. I have seafood chowder. I don't know why there's a slice of orange in it, but I'm willing to go with it. So the problem is that Jacob doesn't actually like seafood. He doesn't even like shellfish, so I never get to eat it. So I'm just forcing him to sit with me while I eat. Oh god, yeah, It's a geologist's dream.
Well,
Round rock.
it's a boulder.
It's a round boulder. Mudstone. So, online it says that these boulders would have been formed between 4 and 5.5 million years.
So this boulder's like split in half and then it's a pool?
Yes.
Wow.
Over to Te Anau, which is in the Fjordlands on the west coast. Hello friends, here is tip 101 on how to be comfortable on a long drive. Number 1, be 5'3". Number 2, slouch. Number 3, legs up. On another note, after our long drive, we've arrived in Te Anau. The lake is lovely, but it's rather cloudy today, so we're not 100% sure what to do. But we're here for 2 nights, so tomorrow we'll do something for the whole day, and today we'll just do something like little bits. First, lunch, because we're hungry.
There you go. There you go. They're like dogs. Seagulls are here. Evil. There you go. Last piece. This is fun, isn't it?
I've just caught him eating chocolate. Have you finished the whole bag?
No.
Oh my god. We have got a fabulous campsite because we turned up early. And do you see how disgusting this is? You had flies everywhere, bird poo everywhere. So we're going to give it a little wash. One of the challenges is that we have to keep the windscreen clean so that we can actually film out of it. No one wants to see dead poo on no bird poo on the screen. So the lake's pretty. Reminds me of Loch Lomond actually.
In Scotland.
In Scotland, yes, in case no one knows where that is. Look at that behind me! That is the direction of Milford Sound, which is where we're going to go tomorrow, and I'm very excited because look at it! So, we've just booked our Milford Sound cruise for tomorrow, which means I think it's 11. Adding all the timings up, we have to get up early, like 6 o'clock, something like that. So we're gonna have a chilled night, as we do every night. And yeah, probably get an early night. I know we haven't vlogged very much today, but tomorrow you are in for a treat. Well, given that the weather's good, but you are in for a treat. I'll see you in the morning.
Good morning. I just thought I'd show you how a van lifer makes breakfast. There you go.
So we are going to Milford Sound, which is meant to be the 8th wonder of the world. We are psyched, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very exciting.
It's raining, but maybe that'll make it some beautiful clouds and misty. Who knows? We'll see. See you there.
So we've just driven 2 hours from our campsite in Te Anau to Milford Sound, which is a very famous like Fjordland place where you get all like the ferry cruises from. As you can see, we're currently sitting on our boat. We're going with Jucy because they were the cheaper option. It was only $55 for this 1.5-hour cruise, and they can go up to like 150. So we got one of the cheapest ones, so that's good. Don't expect any drone footage because we're near an airport and this is a national park, which means no drones.
Milford Sound is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a lot of people regard it as the 8th wonder of the world.
Ladies, a full male seal can look after.
I don't think I've ever seen a
Mating
seal in a
season
while.
sounds like hard work to me. Prized position.
It's amazing.
Not waterproof, folks. Just bear in mind, could be a little bit wet. Can't guarantee you stay dry.
We had a fabulous time on the ferry, or the cruise. Actually, I think it's called the cruise. Now we're just on our way back to Te Anau, and we've stopped at one of the viewpoint places along the Milford Road. They've got loads of places to stop. We've stopped at Mirror Lakes, and basically on a sunny day it's meant to be perfectly flat water, and the Earl Mountains behind me are meant to be reflected perfectly in the lake, but it's raining, so not perfect. But it's still pretty. We're gonna head back to Te Anau now, so we'll see you at the campsite. Hello. It's been many hours since we last spoke to you. We've decided it's a lot healthier if we do a veggie option once or twice a week. So here we are, cooking veggie fajitas.
Keep going on. We're just heading to sleep now, so this is the end of the vlog.
We're moving on tomorrow from Te Anau. We are going to Queenstown, which I think is about an 1.5-hour drive, something like that. It's a potential place that we might live for the 6 months that we are living here.
Remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like the video. We are trying super hard with our New Zealand vlogs to make them awesome, watchable, and having a fantastic time here. See you in the next one.